Hi. Today, we're going to see how to easily look up any information using the XLOOKUP function. I have a sample data here with all employee details. You see the name, title, office state, but the gifts column is blank. I want to see what gifts the company allows based on their location. I have another tab called Gifts, which lists down the Christmas gift for each state. I want to fill in the allowed gifts here, and I will therefore utilize the office state in column I to get the gifts in column J. I'm going to use the XLOOKUP function. To do so easily, I have converted both tabs' data into a table. You can go to Insert and easily create a table or use Ctrl+T or Command+T. I am going to rename my table. You can directly use columns C and D in the XLOOKUP even without creating a table by selecting C and D columns in your formula. Now whenever I select Gifts Christmas, it will take me to that table. Coming back to our sample data, which is also a table, I will apply XLOOKUP to the state in cell I4. So I select New York here. Then I can easily type in my Gifts Christmas table. Gifts Christmas. Now notice how easily I can use square brackets and select the lookup field of state. Next, since I want gifts as the answer from the Gifts Christmas table, I will type that in the same manner since that will be my third command in this function for the return array. And we are done. You can do a quick check. For example, New York gets the answer spa gift box. Let's check on the Gifts tab. State. New York. Gift. Spa gift box. Correct. Next, South Dakota. This state gets bonsai and other plants collection. Correct. This is the end of this video. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.